What's up, guys? I'm gonna do another Battle Cats gameplay. It's been so long. So let's just play the game. I haven't done any Battle Cats in a long time because I just played Roblox, yeah. And some other stuff, but yeah, you know what I mean. Let's just go back into Battle Cat because I want to get the Bahamut Cat. It sounds like an Indian. It sounds like an Indian voice. Indian. Comeback stamps. It's been a long time. Oh, funny thing, I have summer homework. Because, yeah, I'm not in summer school, but I did enjoy a nice vacation in the Philippines. Very nice. Whoa! What is this? This is insane! What are these What are... Okay. Yeah, oh wait. No. What are these event capsules? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I already have this one. Okay. Let's see what's new. Okay, try fourth. Oh, my XP is so full. Oh my god, I did not even notice that. Okay. Use now. I guess, let's use this. I already have a Titan Cat. Already changed the XP. Yes. Yes, I have more. Yes. Very nice. Why don't I get new cats every time? An angel cat, I already have one of those, but it turned into a UFO cat. So change the XP, yes. So let's do the lucky capsules. Ooh, what is this? The dynamite. Ooh, this is a cat machine, ice cat, lesser deem cat, Madora cat, baby cat, nurse cat, Lavos, cat clan heroes, summoner Satoru, Katengu. Ooh. Okay, let me try the dynamites. I rather choose the robot cow. Okay, please, do not get a useless one. You are kidding me. No. Maybe I should get the event capsules. Maybe I should use them. Try once. Okay, Kabuto cat. Okay, let's get the... Okay. Pick any kind of special cat. You're seriously kidding me. I had one, and I wanted any kind of cat. I wanted either the Kabuto cat. Ancient egg? What is that? Okay, let's start. Ghana. You are kidding me. We use this. We use this. We use let's use this. No, let's do this fairly. This is a hard time to choose. I got 55 speed ups, 17 treasures, 2 maxes, 2 cat CPUs, 2 XP, and 1 XP and 2 Sniper the Cat. Let's use Sniper the Cat. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Let the CPU do its work. Okay, let's see what it got. Already more enemies are coming. Ooh. At least they're doing the work. I'm just gonna sit back, watch. No, maybe I should help him out a little bit. Let's give, let's give them a macho cat. Yes, that's the most common stuff. Yes, 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 we are winning. Okay, let's give them warrior cat. Okay. Oh, they paid it already? Okay. This is... Okay, this is getting off to a good start. I tried to press it. Let me help the CPU a little bit. Give them more cats. Yes, 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 yes. Give them more cats. Oh. Oh no. No, not the penguins. Why? This is been on a daily basis. The penguins. Why is the penguins added to the game? It's so unfair. It's so unfair. You know? It is so unfair. No! CPU! Come on! Sniper the Cat! At least help them with some CPU. Oh no! I'm starting to lose. You are kidding me! No! No, 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 no! Seriously? No, of course not. No, 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 no. See, this is why. This is why. I'm trying. I'm gonna. Come on, Cap CPU, get something and bring it to max. Yes, please. Now, please. Please. Now, all we have to do is wait. See, this is why I'm not continuing Battle Cats. But nobody's watching my videos. But nobody's watching my videos. I still have 22 subscribers. I mean, that's a little bit of a milestone, some sort of. But I wanted to go bigger, like the cat CPU is not doing its work. So anyways, I want to go higher, like, I don't know, 10 million subscribers, but I'm going easy. I just want to reach, let's say, 90 million. Okay, no, not 90 million. That's too much. I want to say 100 subscribers. Yeah. And if I reach, then I want you to subscribe to. Yeah, never mind. But for now, we're just getting milestone for, let's say 100. Okay. The devil cat is here. There's literally no red enemies. Oh. Woo! Whoa, this is the most powerful of them all. Look at this. Boom. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yes, please. Do not get one hit. Get one hit. Valkyrie cat. Come on, detective. Okay, come on, please. Let the, okay. Okay, wait. Oh no, Valkyrie. No. Oh no, not again. Spawn CPU. Come on. No, please. No. Come on. Please. No. Go away. I wanted to win. Bonus corporations, please. No! Oh, why? Come on, please. I only have max. This is the max. I want him to be level 30. Also this guy. And this guy. I don't know. Ooh, I still haven't upgraded him. There's so much to upgrade. Okay, upgrade. I'm wasting my XP here. Oh, there's still this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, they're all max level. Whoa! That is too much. This is not yet. Okay. Still have level. I just keep on upgrading. Okay, I'm literally wasting my XP here. Okay, let's say special cats. The cat god is already powerful. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoa, that's a little bit much. Just keep on upgrading. I haven't upgraded them. Look at them. Look, they're still on level 3. Let me help you out. No, I don't want to use my XP. I have already a little less. I have a little less. I have a little. Yes. Yay! I have 2 cat tickets. I have collected 1 leadership. Yay! Yes. Equip. So page 1, page 2 is probably the second best. Maybe the weakest. Number 3. This is the most weakest team I've ever seen, besides Mythical Titan. Oh God. Okay, please be a cat. I'm gonna look away. What? No. Fine, I can sort of upgrade him. Come on. Ah, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. I already have Lizard Cat. No. Yes, I have more XP now. Yes, I'm gonna use what? Yes. Whoa, I have 2 cat jobs. What is that? Ooh, another leadership. Okay, what is this cat job? Let's see what is on the enemies. Okay. Snatch. These guys. Hippo. I already know that. Jackie Pang. I hate Jackie Pang. Gory. Baba. Cercio. Croco. LeBlanc. BB Bunny. Kangaroo. Boom 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 boom. Ooh, I saw Squirrel. Moose, and one horn. Teacher Bear, the face. Wait, what is this? Whoa. What did I see? Whoa. Wait, hold up. Wait. What? Oh, I have seen cyclones before. Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay, Doge. Okay, I already saw this. Saw this. Miss Sign. Dark Emperor Niamdam. Red. Angry that he isn't allowed to drink anything alcoholic. Shows off by pretending to drink. This glass is filled with coffee jelly. You are kidding me. This is the boss I've been fighting. Metal Hippo. A certain organization decided to experiment and make Hippo's body metal. Appears to be weak in critical attack. Sorry. Sir Pig II. Red. Ancestor of Pig. Second queen in the pig thing. Doge Dark Black. One day Doge picked up the flyer and found work as a part-time tailor. Works hard every day to make money and to get into prep school. Celebudil. Female college student who enjoys chit-chat with her girls every afternoon at high-end cafes. Her friends secretly hate her. What about the Cyclones? Oh, Ultra Smack You earned the nickname by ganging up on the target with literal smackdown. Holds the namesake of their ancestors, just a normal rock. What about the Cyclones? Oh no, wait, I need a pause. Now this is the red cyclone, red floating. The relentless assault of wind keeps curious gawkers far away. If only there was some way to stop or stun it. A counterattack chance? Black cyclone, floating black. Attacks continuously while moving so no one can stop its cyclonic force. Has a lot more pushing power, or is it suction power? Cyclone. Metal cyclone. Attacks continuously while moving so okay. Cosmic cyclone. Alien floating. A nebula storm born from a black hole. It rips apart anything that gets close. Best block and attack from behind cover. Attacks get stronger after taking damage. And now the Alien Doge. Where's Alien Doge? Oh, but first Gabriel, granddaddy of the Doge clan, watches to make sure his descendants keep up their studies. Sleeping in class earns a bite from an old man. Heavenly hippo angel, a hippo who yearned for a halo, styled his hair to make into wings, which makes him the next best thing to a Pegasus. Am I right? And now for Alien Doge. No, Metal Doge. Waking up home from prep school, a giant silver disc appeared from the sky. Can't remember what happened, but now he wears only silver jumpsuits. What? That's a silver jumpsuit? Shiba Alien. A lovable Doge genetically modified invaders to be the perfect foot soldier. Always says we think, but it's really selfish. That's why he fights with dorm mates. Let's check more. Whoa. What did I see? Doge. Doge's late father buried 7 years ago. Even the grave couldn't stop him from worrying over his kids' grades. Only showing a report card can put him permanently to rest. Snatch. A slithery creature who uses watercolors for horror makeup. Really already dead though. The only information you need is that it possesses gruesome attack area powers. Haven't seen this one yet. Zaki Peng. After his debut film bombed, a big hole was all that's left where Peng's heart used to be. Even death by bad reviews won't stop his revenge from ungrateful audiences. There's Rocco. A poor gator who died of hunger. Too weak to swim across the river Styx, it came back to the world as half-baked ghosts, sometimes mistaken for dumbbells. Wait, where's the other ones? No, haven't seen this one yet. Where's all the other villains? That's weird. That's it. And now for Cat Guide. Oh, this is what it's like, huh? I now know all the aliens from battle cats. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.